This is a review for the Advecta Plus for cats. This is how my Advecta arrived. It is, I'm not sure if it's been used or what, but it's definitely damaged and it is open. So I'm not going to use this for my cat because it's not properly sealed. Just don't feel comfortable with that. As you can see, it's completely open. Very disappointed because for the price you would not expect the box to arrive like this and the product to be damaged.